it takes is a hint of spring to get us excited about getting out in the yard and the garden. The question is what to plant that is easy to maintain. Here's some advice as you get gardening.
Hi, this is Bryn Ramjoue at Red Butte Garden. And as planting season comes, we hope that you consider a few things about low water use plants. Here at the garden, we've got lots of great examples of native plants and non-native plants that are low water use. You can find plants that are beautiful and that bloom in the different seasons, but that use low water. One planting tip is to make sure that plants with similar water needs are planted together. The other thing I would like you to consider is when you visit a local garden center or Red Butte garden, notice those plants that don't need a lot of water. You might use some ground covers, ice plant, and thyme that are low water use. You might use trees that are low water use, like the oaks and some conifers. So consider these tips as you're planning your garden.